Hey Crea'Madonas, welcome back to the channel. I'm Belitra and I'm the crafty black girl. You guys, we are back to creating and we are on to holiday gift baskets. You guys, I'm so excited. So as you will see, I got all of this stuff pretty much that you see from Hobby Lobby, from City Trends, and from Dollar General during the holiday season last year. So I'm starting with this little bucket that I got. It looks like a little cookie bucket, and of course I'm stuffing it, I'm covering it up, and we're starting with this little coffee set that has different flavors of coffee for the holiday time. I got that from City Trends, y'all. So be checking in on your City Trends in your area after the holidays to get these sales, to get these items, guys. And then those lights I got from Dollar General, and I'm just going to go ahead and put those on the back, you guys. So basically this basket is going to be a holiday preparation basket for those who give gifts, who like to decorate their home and things like that. I had all of these little items in the storage. I did not purchase anything this year, and that is what's so amazing about this basket. I didn't have to buy anything. All of these things I actually bought last year. So you guys, if you want to keep up with the sales and the times and the things like that, when things are marked down, make sure you're following Birthing Bosses with Felicia. She gives great information, especially to her members of her channel. So next I'm going to go ahead and add those candy canes there, you guys, and this is what the basket is looking like. If you're wondering what that is right there, that is actually a stocking holder, and that's great for people who cannot put nails in their walls and things because they're renting apartments, or they just don't want to. They can easily hang that on a ledge and put the stockings with all of its stuffing inside. So now that the basket is complete in its design, I'm going to go ahead and line it with this garland, you guys. I thought that would be so cute. And if they want to take it off, they can, but it's just decoration, just to make it festive. So this is what the basket looks like now, and I'm of course going to go ahead and put that in a shrink wrap bag, you guys, to keep everything in place. I'm going to cut the bottoms and I'm going to fold them underneath, as I always do when I can and when it's appropriate. And then I'm just going to go ahead and shrink wrap this with my blow dryer. So I'm going to use a regular blow dryer. This one, yeah. Anyway, we're going to make a bow. And I'm so grateful for Birthing Bosses with Felicia once again. You guys, if you know and you started from the beginning of my channel, you know I was not making bows, honey. I'm making bows now. So I'm going to go ahead and make a bow, you guys. Sometimes it's a struggle bow, but we're going to make it work. So we made this cute little bow. We're going to go ahead and put it at the top of our basket. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of this greenery and flowers to the top of the basket. And you guys, this is what this holiday preparation basket looks like. It is very festive, very cute, very holiday season. You know, it's not only Christmas, but it's just holiday season basket. So you guys, if you like this basket, leave it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below what you think, and until next time, stay crafty.